The time to check to see if you live in a floodplain because area leaders are urging you to prepare for the worst. They are looking at record levels of water from the Big Sioux River and Skunk Creek that could last close to a week.
Well, today, Sioux Falls and Minnehaha County emergency managers outlined plans to keep areas as safe as possible. And they also have a warning. And if you don't follow it, you could find yourself facing police officers and some costly tickets.
This has the potential to reach some of those high flows that we've seen in 1969 that actually hit 41,000 CFS.
All of that water is coming from a few places. The Big Sioux River's watershed starts in Watertown and will merge with Skunk Creek's flows that start in Chester. Public Works Director Mark Cotter says it could all add up to 38,000 cubic feet per second, or about 285,000 gallons of water flowing through Sioux Falls per second.
When these high flows start to come through, we'll begin to send the majority of the water down the diversion channel.
That's not all.
We are identifying the steps that we'll take for sandbagging, not only to sandbag the public utility infrastructure, but also to provide guidance and support for the public.
In the meantime, mind the barricades.
We have officially closed Falls Park.
Due to safety, law enforcement officers are monitoring closed areas, including some parks. If they catch you crossing the barricades to get into a closed park, you could get 2 tickets, totaling nearly $220.
I can't emphasize enough how we need your cooperation to stay out of those areas so that the city teams can really focus on the flood fight that's ahead of us.
Minnehaha County Emergency Manager Jason Gierman says if you live in floodplains in the county, start preparing to move livestock, equipment, and other valuables. He also has an important message for drivers.
Stay off the county roads. The county roads are in horrible shape right now with the thaw and the water, and the townships do not want you on their roads and wrecking them.
And here's a look at Falls Park, and officers have already cited 10 people for entering the park. The Sioux Falls emergency manager is also warning people on the floodplains to consider moving personal items like important paperwork, valuables, and prescriptions to a safe storage space. To find out if you live in one of those areas, we do have links under the story on KELOLAND.com. And the city still needs volunteers to assist in this flood fight. To learn how you can help, you can call the 211 helpline.